React is an open-source JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, UIs. It was developed by Facebook and released in 2013. React is often referred to as React.js or React.js. React allows developers to build reusable UI components and provides a declarative approach to building UIs. It uses a virtual DOM document object model to efficiently update and render components, resulting in high-performance user interfaces. Key features of React include component-based architecture. React encourages the decomposition of UIs into reusable components. Each component can manage its own state, allowing developers to build complex UIs by combining smaller, self-contained pieces. Virtual DOM. React uses a virtual representation of the DOM, which is a lightweight copy of the actual HTML DOM. By comparing the virtual DOM with the real DOM, React determines the most efficient way to update the UI, minimizing unnecessary re-renders and improving performance. JSX. React uses JSX, JavaScript XML, syntax, which allows developers to write HTML-like code directly within JavaScript. JSX makes it easier to define the structure and appearance of components, and it can be transpiled into regular JavaScript using tools like Babel. Unidirectional data flow. React follows a unidirectional data flow, which means that data flows in a single direction through the components. This helps to maintain a predictable state and makes it easier to debug and reason about the application's behavior. React is often used in combination with other libraries and frameworks to build complete web applications. It can be integrated with various backend technologies and is compatible with both server-side rendering and client-side rendering. React has gained significant popularity due to its efficiency, modularity, and large community support. It is widely adopted by developers and used by many organizations to build interactive and responsive user interfaces.